In this video, we're going to talk about how to set up item-based suggestive selling in Thrive Online. Log into the Thrive Online admin panel and click on Set up my account. Click on Suggestions. Be sure that you have the proper location selected if you have more than one. We'll start with our first location here. These are the type of suggestions you can activate. Let's start with the item pairings. We'll go ahead and click on it to activate it. You can click on the pencils to give some options. We have a couple different options here. You can choose to have personalized suggestions, which would be suggesting an item that the customer previously ordered if the customer is logged in. So if last time I ordered a large pizza and breadsticks, and this time I order a large pizza, I'll be prompted to order the breadsticks again. If the customer is not logged in or doesn't have a previous suggestion, you can choose the suggestion specified by you. This is where you specify an item that you want to suggest in conjunction with other items. The maximum number of times to suggest items controls the total number of pop-ups that your customer will experience. Another important setting is the wording of your suggestions. So for these different types of suggestions, you can choose how you want to phrase things, or just leave the defaults. So in order to specify which items are suggested, we need to set this up in the point-of-sale system. Let's hit Next to make sure that gets saved, and then we'll head over to the POS. In the POS, suggestions for Thrive Online are configured in the item area. So I'm going to select Items, and for this example we'll set up suggestions for our dinner platters. I'm going to select the category Platters. I could go down to an individual item, but in this case I'll set up default suggestions for the category. Click on the Suggestions tab, and now I can select which item I'd like to suggest. The first priority item that I'm going to suggest is a side salad. Now, if the customer already has a salad on their order, we might want to give them an alternate suggestion. In this case, perhaps they'd like a baked potato. When I'm done, I can just hit Save and Close. Depending on your settings, those changes may update to Thrive Online automatically, or you may need to go into your location setup back in the Thrive Online interface and click on Import Now. Now let's take a quick look at how suggestions work from the consumer perspective. Once I start my order, let's order a pizza in this case. I'll order a large combo, and you'll see I've got breadsticks set up as a suggestion. Here's my customizable prompt, and the customer can choose to add that to the order. Since breadsticks has some requirements, they need to pick those, and now they've added it to their order. Take a few minutes to set up suggestions for your online ordering site, and you'll see an increased ticket average that will really add to your bottom line.